Hello everyone, my name is Lenny from Code with Lenny Len, and in this Let's Learn Python programming series, I'm going to show you the basics of Python language. And this series is good for the beginners, especially those who have not dealt with any other language. They're starting off with Python. I'm going to walk you step by step and go through the basics of Python, the things that will get you up and running and get off with Python. It's also okay for experienced programmers, especially those who are doing languages like Ruby and some static languages like C, C#, C++. It's going to be actually much simpler for you to learn Python. You can just get on with the basics, the syntax, and go on. So first of all, Python is a general purpose programming language, and what that means is that it can be used in a wide area of places. And that's what this video is all about. So this video, the first video, is going to be an introduction to Python, where it's used, what companies use it, why I prefer it to many other languages, and to get off some few history of Python. It was developed by this guy, Guido Van Rossum. To get the spellings right, that's the name. So this guy developed Python in 1990 and 1991, between the 2 years. That's what is sourced at Wikipedia. You can go on and research with it. And he made this cool language, and we give regards to this guy for creating this, otherwise this video wouldn't have happened. So Python, since 1991, has grown into a very thorough language. It is simple. That's first benefit. It's a simple language to learn, and you will see from the next video tutorials, Python is actually very simple syntax. Everything is just straightforward, and that's why Python is mostly preferred, especially by beginners. So Python is used in areas like data science, that is includes a lot of mathematics and calculations, statistics, all those kinds of thorough stuffs Python can handle, and it can actually handle this much better than other languages. It is also used to make GUI applications. So this was a sample application made by Python, system defragmenter or something, but it can be used to, this shows that Python can be used to make GUI applications, desktop applications, mobile phone applications, all such kinds of stuff. It is also used in artificial intelligence, things like this, neural networks, machine learning, complex algorithms, those kinds of stuff. Python handles very well, and it's Python has actually marveled when it comes to things like artificial intelligence. Python, on the fun side, it can also be used to make games. So anyone who is interested in making games, you can check out my tutorial that I released earlier on how to make games with Pygame, and that's the module that's going to be used to make games. This one, Pygame. I actually have a tutorial series still on YouTube. You can check in the link I'm going to give out in the description, and you can go on and make games. Python is also used in computer vision. This was a sample program made by somebody else, and it was used to detect a face and some two eyes, as you can see, using this library called OpenCV, a very great library. Still can do a lot of magic in Python, and very cool stuff are coming. This is also a robot that was made and mostly programmed using Python. That is, all you have to do is use this Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi comes with Python shipped in as its natural language, if I say so, and it was what was used in this project, where you have this awesome robot. And if you're learning to Python in order to get into robotics, you're in the right place. Python is also used to make web applications. I'm very sure most of you have heard of Django and Flask. They have made very great things in this world as we know it, and they marvel when it comes to web development. Python is used by Google. The search engine you see on the screen, or when you type in something in Google, Python handles that. That's pretty cool, because big companies like Google using Python shows that Python is a great language. Python is also used by Dropbox, YouTube, where you are right now, Reddit, where you have these kinds of programmers and all kinds of people interacting. Reddit's a cool place, handled by Python, and that is especially the Django that I showed you earlier. It also used in Quora. You all know Quora, where you can get online and ask questions and get answers and all that kinds of stuff. You can interact with many people in Quora and you'll have fun, I believe so. So that's the many places that Python has been used. Very big companies using Python. Very many things that can be done using Python, from game development to artificial intelligence, desktop applications, all those kinds of stuff. Pretty fun stuff. So Python, I'd like to show you some of the projects that I made using Python, and these are from 2 years ago, 1 year, 2 year period. And to start off is this simple game called Battle Tanks, where you are competing against the computer to shoot each other. You have this simple calculator that I made. This was among my first GUI projects, and it was a simple application that only does the simple mathematics. We also have this Flappy Bird clone that I tried to make. No bird, just a ball going through some walls. OpenCV, this is courtesy of OpenCV, and I used it to do some image analysis and some pretty cool stuff, as you can see. I also made a small simple music player, a payment management system, a small piano, racetrack, another simple game that I made using the Pygame library. This was a restaurant management system, still using Python. Snake game, I know you all heard of Snake, you have mostly played it. You also have this game, a small milk game, where you have to collect the milk by using your mouse to get the crate where the milk is. And this advanced calculator, sometimes ago, this was sometimes back, whereby after learning a few things in GUI I tried to make this advanced calculator where you can take some notes, have some formulae, and do some calculations. Pretty cool. And that's it for my project. Those are some of my projects. After learning this, after taking on this short tutorial series, I'm going to show you how we can now start making things like applications and all that kinds of fun stuff that I've been doing with Python. As I've mentioned, Python is a fun language, really quick to learn. It's simple, it's very beginner friendly, and as well as being simple and easy to learn, it can also be used to do a lot of thorough and great stuff. So I hope you'll be tuning on to my video series. Please like and subscribe my videos so that you can get updated as they come, and have fun Python programming.